Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're doing amazingly great. Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you for watching my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be making tilapia fish pepper soup with plantain. So I'll be walking you through the ingredients. I'm going to be using tilapia fish, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be using onions, basil leaves. I'm also going to be using ginger and plantain. So right now I'm trying to clean up the fish. So I'm going to start by using scissors to take out the fins, the bones and all that. So just watch how I'm going to remove the fins and other parts of the bones. So I'm going to be cleaning it under a running water. I'm going to be using salt and lemon to wash the fish properly. So guys, just stay tuned and watch how I'm going to wash the fish. I usually like to wash this fish properly because sometimes they don't even get to wash it before taking it to the store, and even if it's in the store, you don't really know how they have handled it. You don't know how much care they've given to the fish. So I just like to wash mine with salt and then with lemon. So I'm trying to cut the tilapia fish into 3. So after cutting it, that is when I'm gonna wash it. So guys, just watch and see how I'm gonna be cleaning the fish. I'm gonna be taking out the dirt and all that. So guys, just watch me do it. So guys, hope you guys are watching my previous videos. I have uploaded so many videos. I would like you guys to watch them after watching this one. I really appreciate you guys. If you're gonna go back and watch some of my videos, I have videos on how to make Nigerian akara. I also have this recent video I uploaded like 2-3 days ago, about different sauces you can pair with your white rice. You know, sometimes white rice can be boring, so we just want something different. We just want a different taste. So just try and watch out the video. I'm going to put the link of the video in this very video so you guys can go watch it. You're really going to love it. And as it is, guys, you know, we're in fall. We're almost in winter, so the weather has really changed. It's really cold here now, so hence why we need this very hot and spicy pepper soup for the season, you know, to just keep us warm and all that. I've really been under the weather, so that's the reason why I just need this. So that is my pepper mix. That is just the pepper I showed you guys just now, which is the tatashe, Scotch bonnet pepper and onions and the ginger. So now I'm putting in the seasoning, which is the bouillon seasoning and salt. And sorry guys, I forgot to show you guys this pepper soup spice. I was supposed to show you earlier, but I actually forgot. So I actually love this pepper spice. It's very, very nice. I used to get it here in the US. It's actually a Nigerian person that is doing it, though it's not a paid advert, but then I just thought to just show you guys the pepper mix. Is really nice. So we have salt in there, we have the pepper mix, and then I'm going to be showing you the basil leaves. So if you can also use in place of this basil leaves, if you have scent leaf, you can use scent leaf. If you don't like scent leaf, or you cannot find scent leaf around you, you can always use the basil leaves. So I'm going to be putting in the fish. And before putting in the fish, just make sure that the ingredients that you have put in the water, all the spices, just make sure they are well boiled, is well cooked before putting in the fish. So as you can see, I like spicy food, so I'm going to be adding more pepper mix to the pepper soup. So I'm going to leave it for a while. I'm going to cover it now and allow it to cook for close to 20 minutes, thereabouts. And while it's still cooking, I'm going to be prepping the plantain. So For these, you can use yam, you can use potatoes, whatever type of how do I put it, whichever one you prefer. But for this recipe, I'll be using plantain, and I like to use plantain that is not really ripe, and this one is not very ripe, so I like to use this one instead of the very soft plantain. So that is why I'm going to be putting plantain now. I'm going to be putting it in the pepper soup. So while it's cooking, I like to flip the fish over to be very sure that both sides are properly cooked. So that's why you see me trying to flip the fish over. So I want them to cook on both sides. Though it doesn't matter, but I just, to be very sure that it's actually going to cook on both sides. So now I'm putting the plantain in the soup, and they're all going to cook together. The reason why I didn't put the plantain from the very start is because I don't want the plantain to overcook. That is the reason why I didn't put it at first. So guys, see what we have here. So by the time it's cooked, I'm going to like it because it's not going to be too soft. So the reason why I am stirring the pot, I'm stirring the soup using the pot. I'm not using the spoon to stir, is because I don't want the fish to scatter. That's the reason why you see me using the pot to stir the soup. And now I'm checking the fish if it is properly cooked. So right now the fish is properly cooked. So, and the plantain also is properly cooked. So now I'm bringing in the basil leaves. I'm just going to allow the basil leaves to just, steam for 2-3 minutes, and we're out. Our soup is ready, guys. Like, it's ready. Just see how beautiful this is. My phone camera is not doing justice to how this soup really looks beautiful, guys. It looks really enticing, and I hope you guys are going to be trying out this recipe. So I'm going to be dishing for myself and for my husband. So that is why you see me dishing on both bowls. So guys, if you have watched my video to this, I will appreciate you guys if you're going to subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate it if you like and comment and share this recipe with whoever really needs it. So guys, I'll be so glad if you can do this for me, and I hope I'm going to see you in my next video. So guys, do not forget to go back and check my other videos. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys for staying with me. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.